Meanwhile, President Trump is headed to Pennsylvania tomorrow to promote his economic agenda, with affordability top of mind heading into next year's midterm elections.
The Trump administration now highlighting their efforts to bring costs down for the American people.
I will tell you that the affordability has two components. There's inflation, and then there's real incomes. Real incomes are up about 1%. We've been working on it every day. I was on your show on March talking about affordability. We've made a lot of gains. Interest rates have come down. The bond market just had the best year since 2020. And now we are working on inflation, and I expect inflation to roll down strongly next year.
Co-host of the Big Money Show, Taylor Riggs, joins us now. Taylor, good morning to you.
Good morning.
We haven't seen the president on the campaign trail in some time, but he will be on Tuesday in Pennsylvania. Tell us why this is so important.
Messaging, messaging, messaging. Scott Bessent, said it there. There's two parts of this component, but we have to explain that to the American people. The Trump administration has to do that. So it's all about going back to all of those sort of swing states, Pennsylvania you mentioned, and talking about it. The big, beautiful bill passed July 4th that became law was incredible in terms of a pro-business, pro-worker, enticing businesses to start investing, to start building, no tax on tips, no tax on overtimes. But that's been sort of lost in the affordability conversation. So it's just about making sure people understand and realize how important that was that got done.
So President Trump has called this issue of affordability a Democratic con job, essentially. Yeah. That being said, he's rolled back the tariffs on some food items like coffee and beef. Is he sort of splitting the difference there? You heard Secretary Bessent say that, they're not going to deny the American people what they're feeling. Are they trying to sort of do both things here?
Yeah, I think they're trying to avoid what Kamala Harris did when everyone kept saying, the economy is great. Your feelings aren't real. Your feelings are valid. Right. So if people are going to the polls and saying prices aren't coming down, this isn't good enough, the administration is trying to recognize and meet the voter where they are. It's going to be tit for tat. I think overall long term, in Trump 1.0, tariffs proved that they were not inflationary, but those were much more targeted. These have been broader base tariffs. Plus, we're just coming off of a 22% increase in inflation in the last 4 to 5 years. And so voters are still very frustrated at that.
Yeah, here is Jamie Dimon on how he views the state of the economy today. Watch this.
In the short run, it looks like the American consumer is doing fine, is chugging along, companies are making profits, stock markets are high, and that could easily continue. There are a little small negatives, like jobs are weakening, but just a little bit. Inflation is there and maybe not going down.
And maybe not going down. So here's the thing when it comes to inflation. I mean, the rate of inflation, of course, has decreased, but the cumulative effect is still up 17% from 2021. And I think that's what the president means when he calls it a con job, because he's saying that Democrats have created this inflation since 2021, and now you're blaming it on me. That's the con job. But you heard Jamie Dimon there, and he says that it's not going down anytime soon, and that's a problem.
Yeah, so I think you're spot on in the rate of inflation has come down. The Fed's going to meet next Wednesday. We're looking at 2.5–3% inflation, but it's the cumulative numbers that we've been talking about. Here's the issue. If you want prices to come down, that's deflation. That typically happens when we're in a big economic recession. So I'm not sure we want prices to come down. That means demand has collapsed and we're in a recession. So you want the rate of the price increases to absolutely slow to, let's say, on average below 2%. But if prices are falling, that means that there's something more worrisome going on in the economy. Jamie Dimon, I would say, I think is spot on about the labor market, showing signs of a little bit of a cooling off. We'll hear from the Fed more about how they plan to stimulate the economy next Wednesday. This Wednesday.
Don't you wish prices could fall without that big worrisome other thing if we were in a deflationary economy? That would be nice. Taylor, thank you so much for joining us. Taylor. We're going to be looking out for what the president has to say tomorrow in Pennsylvania.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.